Lucas, water bottle standby. Any team can go out first. Whacking in a mud
Disco?
versus
Real disco.
Toothless.
It's so much better.
Okay, water bottle. Alright, whacking in a mud, you're up first. Let's go. Nice. That's all, I believe. Nice. Hey, hey, hey. Nice. Nice.
All that stuff.
Let's go, Anthony. 10 seconds.
It's too great. It's too fun for it to just disappear. And it's gonna come back someday.
3, 2,
That's what happens in all our
1,
lifetimes.
time.
Right?
That's so fun. Nice, nice. Let's go, boy. Pick up that Toothless. Nice. 10 seconds. Five, four, three, two, one, time. Round two. Let's go, Mecca. Whacking in the mode. Hey, hey, hey. Everybody lift up the quad. Hey.
Girls, don't be bad, fool. Girl, back it up. Do it, girl, like it's pumpkin. Take that ass as fast as you can. Like, girl, shake it like you burn it with my suntan. My dog, took the balance like I'm a again. What you talking about holding back? Better get on the dance floor, talking like it was a Cadillac. What you talking about cutting the slack? Girl, you better bend that back. Where my girls go deep in the club. Can't wait to hit the bar and get
10 seconds.
my dog, you got more than 100 bucks. Can't wait to freeze one of the little bugs. Before we start to turn it out, you must learn to cross out. Before we start to turn it out,
3, 2, 1, switch. Nice, nice. Hey, nice, go. Let's go, Sam. Our first teams that made top 16. Alright, so if you don't know what's gonna happen is in a bit I'm gonna count down and our judges are gonna point to the side they believe took that round. Alright, is everyone ready? We're gonna count together from 3, 2, 1, and Claude took up and Toothless takes. And give it up for Working in a Mo. Alright, on my left can I get boys with shirts on, and on my right can I get a deep longing